回到了那个年代，重新去思考当年华侨生男大生面对他的一个困境。
是非常少见的一个被拍成电影的题材，然后也是新加坡一个非常珍贵的一个历史片段。
Really, it's a very meaningful and touching movie, and it also, to me, I feel it symbolizes, even though you are silent, it doesn't mean that you're weak, but everybody expresses their strength in different ways.
I love how it was done in a very nuanced manner, very sensitive manner, that you kind of read behind what was actually presented, and you can fill in the backstory yourself.
I would give it 6 stars.
我会给10颗。
Definitely rate it 4.9 because I really wish that I could be a part of this wonderful movie.
Indeed, I would recommend this movie to a friend, especially to friends whose parents went to Nantang.
I hope more people watch this film because of the story it tells, the emotions and layers that it actually explores.
因为我觉得，尤其是我那一班华侨生。
It is definitely a film of some historical record, I would say, in Singapore, for Singapore. So I definitely recommend people to come and watch it.
很值得关心那一代的华侨生的问题的观众走进电影院来欣赏这部电影。
A Year of No Significance is showing in cinemas. Get your tickets now.
Please don't miss it.